Once you have the results of your water test, it's time to begin balancing your pool water. Establishing a routine will keep your pool water safe, sanitary, clear, and clean. Be sure to add the needed chemicals in a specific order. Calcium carbonate to raise calcium, sodium bicarbonate to raise alkalinity, muriatic acid to lower pH, or soda ash to raise pH. Always dilute the chemicals in a bucket of water and then add to the pool. Use a 5-gallon bucket filled with water, then add the chemicals to the water in the bucket. Stir with a plastic stick. The product label should tell you how much water to start with, but never pour water over the chemicals to dilute them. If you do this, you increase your risk of bodily harm due to a severe chemical reaction. Once again, take a look at the document below, Balancing Pool Water 101, for more detailed information about balancing your pool water. See you soon.